Your bank account obeys your story. If you keep saying, I'm bad with money, your bank account balance just follows your orders. Your life is running on your affirmations, but they're negative ones. The story, I never have enough, becomes a command your brain executes, avoiding numbers, delaying decisions, sabotaging opportunities. That's not fate, that's programming. But you can fix it. Write down the top 3 negative money affirmations you've been repeating, probably all your life. I'm bad with money, I can't save, I never have enough. And repeat them each 3 times before moving to the next, for 21 days at least. You don't even need to believe the positive affirmations at first. It doesn't matter. Your behavior will automatically change to follow the new affirmations. That's just how we're wired. And over time, you'll be amazed at the results. Get the Human User Manual or sign up for the Path of the Warrior Spirit coaching. The links are in the description.